Welcome to the night dive. This is how the ocean looks like at night. Black. It's now more mysterious than ever and sinister. That's a herd of sea urchins. The dive torch is now an essential gear because even denizens of the deep make mistakes. Ouch! You'd think with those big adorable eyes that porcupinefish would have avoided those needle-like spines. The porcupinefish also has spines of its own. Thought I should point that out. Point. Get it? Never mind. My mission 1 tells me that spiny encounter took place in just under 2 meters on a warm night. The D950V underwater light has given us a bright clear view of this amazing underwater world. So what happened to that pointy cutie? Well, it found a cave to nurse its wounds. It was home to some other fish, but out here, it's every fish for itself.